Hey Gary, can you show me how I can edit and publish Unity forms?
I'd be happy to help. Let me share my screen. Today we're going to go over how to edit and publish a Unity form. You can edit a previously published form template, or you can edit a draft of a form template. Note that when a template is open in Forms Designer, it is locked and cannot be edited by another user. Only the user who currently has the template open will be able to modify the template until they close it. To edit a Unity form, you start with the Unity client. You go to File, Administration, and then Forms Designer. In the ribbon above, click Open. This returns a list of our current Unity forms. Today, we're going to edit the Attorney Total Amounts Unity form. We're going to open the published template. Now on this Unity form, I want to add a property for the current user's display name. To do that, I'm going to go to the toolbox on the left. I'll scroll down to the properties. I'll see the current user's display name. I'll click that. I'm going to add this to the bottom of the form. Now note that this property here is a read-only field, and it will be populated when the form is loaded. To see that, we can go do a test drive on this. Go up to the top ribbon. I will click test drive. And you can see that this field was automatically populated with my current user's display name. We can put in some values for these. You can see this field here was automatically calculated from one of the custom rules that we have set up. I'll add in some values for these. And submit. We can see that all these fields have these calculations done for them, and we can hit OK. This form tested out well. I like the way it looks. I like the way it functions. I'm going to go ahead and save it. At this point, we've got two options. We can either publish or create a draft. If you create a draft, it saves a copy of this. It's not live, and your users cannot see your changes. But if we publish it, then it does go live, and the users can see your changes. So let's go ahead and publish this. We're going to add a comment. And now the form is published and live. Let's go check it out. Here is a copy of the new form. We can go ahead and add our values in again. And save that. I do not want to create a new form. Let's go check out what that looks like. Here's our Unity form. It has all of our values. It has the new field for current user's display name, which again is read-only. It's populated whenever you load the form, and that has all been saved.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you'd like to see answered in an upcoming Question Corner video, leave us a comment below.